class. Everyone calm down. I hope you guys had a great weekend. We have a guest with us today. It's our new TA, Teacher's Assistant, Songbird. This is Baritone's older sister, and she's going to assist us for the rest of the year. All right, Songbird, do you have anything to say?
Hello, class. I already know most of you. I know Baritone, of course, my little brother. And High Pitch. Hello, High Pitch.
Hi, Songbird!
Anyway, just wanted you to know that I'm here to help. Okay?
Baritone, your sister is pretty. Ew, no she's not. She's my sister.
All right, kids, it's recorder day. Hope you guys have been practicing. I'm going to give you a little refresher course. Remember, the left hand plays the top of the recorder. B, A, G, pinky out for T. All right, High Pitch, since you volunteered for the lead part in our winter concert, we're going to let you go first. Do you agree, man?
Sure. Oh no, we're gonna stink.
Okay, all right. I really don't want to ruin y'all's self-esteem and laugh at y'all, but High Pitch, you definitely did not practice. Remember, kids, you want to make sure you practice because you don't want to embarrass yourself. This stuff is going to be on YouTube.
You know what, Songbird? I wish I was an adult. You get to do anything you want.
That's not true, High Pitch. Us adults have responsibility too. And while you're playing, well, most of the time we're working. So you can sleep, eat, and have fun. Everybody wants to be someone that they're not. But what we don't realize is being you is just the tops. No one else can walk like you. No one else can talk like you. You ought to make your mind up to be grateful for your life. And you and I'll be together. We will be happy. You and I'll just be we. You and I'll be together. We will be happy. You and I'll just be me. So you wanna be SpongeBob and you wanna be Mickey Mouse, and then you wanna be Superman and fly above your house. But Mickey Mouse don't walk like you, and Superman don't talk like you. You know you ought to be grateful 'cause you're special and you're you. You and I gotta be me. Gotta be happy. You and I just gotta be hey, gotta be you. You and I'll be me together. We'll both be happy. Yeah. You and I'll just gotta be me.
Songbird, do you really think I'm special?
Why, yes, High Pitch, I do.
We're so different.
You're right. You have blue eyes, and I have brown. You have a square head, and I have a round. I'm just kidding.
That's not funny.
High Pitch, we're all different, and we were meant to be different. That's what makes us special.
Okay.
So,
Be you, I'll be me.
yes,
Be you, I'll be me. Be you, I'll just be me.
so you can even sing.
You and I'll be
Gotta be me.
Gotta be happy. You and I'll just
Gotta be me. Yeah, yeah, gotta be.
I like
Mr. MusicMan's footage with groups of children was filmed before the COVID-19 pandemic. Stay safe.
And now it's time for awesome music stuff.
All right, now it's time to play a game of Follow the Leader. So all you have to do is follow me. Let's clap our hands. Let's bounce. Just bend your knees and move your hands up and down. All right, back to clapping. Now we're gonna go up and back, forward and back. Good job. All right, let's tap our shoulders. 1, 2, down. 1, 2, down. Tap, tap, down. Good. All right, let's bend our knees and bounce. 1, 2, bounce, bounce. All right, let's add our arms. All right, let's pick up those knees. Up, up. Very good.